Our today's topic is what are the skills that a manager needs. So basically there are three type of skills: technical skill, human skill and conceptual skill. So firstly here is technical skill. Basically it is the knowledge and proficiency in a specific field. And after that we have human skill. It is the ability to work well with other people. And after that we have conceptual skills, the ability to think and conceptualize about abstract and complex situations concerning the organization. Now let's discuss skills needed at different managerial levels. So the top managers need conceptual skills, and the middle managers need human skills, and the lower level managers need technical skills. And there are other important managerial skills like managing human capital, inspiring commitment, managing change, structuring work and getting things done, facilitating the psychological and social context of the work, using purposeful networking, managing decision making processes, managing a strategy and the innovation, and lastly, managing the logistics and technology.